this video is about this not so vintage Singer sewing machine. Just give me a second, or maybe 10. What's your favorite 1980s TV show? No, really. Is it Elf, Airwolf, Miami Vice or Wise Guy? Or did Knight Rider top it all? Oh, no, I know. Dempsey and Makepeace, the greatest show ever. Or the 1990s with TV shows like Nikita, Jack and one of my favorites, Sliders. Believe it or not, this machine is from those 2 decades, roughly. If it walks like a duck and it talks like a duck, it probably is a duck. But although it looks like a vintage Singer Class 15, it is not an old Singer 15. It is a so-called nostalgia clone. Made in the mid-1970s up to the 1990s in Taiwan and later also in China and other countries. There are a couple of ways to set them apart from the real Singer sewing machines. First thing is how shiny and new it looks. And the often used Swings decals are bright and gold colored. The Singer 15s in the beginning of the century had the similar decals, as you can see on this 1919 model 15K30. We have seen this stitch length lever on later models such as the 1588. But the well-known 1588 was never made with those decals. Only the 15110 had this combination. So the combination of the 1588 stitch length lever and the old decals is a hint. Also notable is this knob on the bed for dropping the feed dogs. The later original models had the screw underneath the bed for dropping the feed dogs, except the 15110 to the 15112 to make it a bit complicated. Talking about the bed, the nostalgia models do not have a serial number on the bed, but below, underneath. Except that 110 to 112. Does it still make sense to you? The serial number does it. The CH stands for mainland China and the NL means it was made in Taiwan, like this one. All the Singer sewing machines, including the 110, had the Singer Manufacturing Company on top. The Far East reproductions read the Singer Company or the Singer Machine Company on the arch. A lot of reproductions were made with the so-called RAF decals, not only the Swings. But they all have the knob on the bed and the NL or CH number on the bottom. The finishing, well, it looks good, but the machine is a lot lighter than the original Singer 15. Probably because it's made from other lighter materials that were being used. It feels different. It really does. The lack of quality is there. Sorry about that. Also, you can notice how loud the machine is. It shouldn't sound like this. So now you know, this is not an antique Singer 15. But even if it's not an antique, it doesn't mean it's completely useless. You can sew with it. It does function. Barely, that is, until it stops working, like this one. But the original 15s were made in millions, so with a little luck this machine might have some collector's value. For more information on the old Singer Class 15 machines, I have multiple tutorials on YouTube and a video on which Singer 15 submodel you might have. Links are in the description below. Nevertheless, enjoy your machine. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop me a line. Have a great day and I will see you in the next video.